Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GLT Reacts. In today's video, we will be sharing with you latest trailer named Captain America Brave New World official trailer. The film Captain America Brave New World official trailer has not been released as of man knowledge cut off data. The film is a part of Marvel Phase 5 and follow the Falcon and the Winter Soldier TV series. The director of this trailer, Julius Ona. Julius Ona is directing Captain America Brave New World. Ona is known for his work on films like The Cloverfield Paradox and The Girl is Trouble. His direction in this Captain America movie will likely bring a fresh perspective to the franchise. The writer of this trailer, Malcolm Spellman. Malcolm Spellman is the head writer for Captain America Brave New World. Spellman also writes for Disney series The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, which explore Sam Wilson's journey to beginning the new Captain America. Dallin Mewson, the writer of this trailer, Dallin Mewson, who also worked on The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, so
You know I've
wrote
been
the
no
script
fan of
for the film
heroes,
alongside Spellman.
but even I
Main
can't
cast of
deny the
this
good that
thriller:
you've done.
Anthony Mackie, Sam Wilson, Captain America. Mackie reprised his role for the Falcon and the Winter Soldier as
Check
Sam
this
Wilson,
out.
who has
The
officially
country needs
taken
Captain
on the
America.
mantle of Captain America after Steve Rogers' retirement. Substain Stan and Bucky Barnes is expected to play
Man,
a
who's
significant
that?
role as
Everybody.
one of the Sam's closest allies, and the bond between the two characters as a
The
major
world
focus in
is
the
on the
Falcon
brink
and the
of
Winter
war.
Soldier. Harrison Ford Thaddeus Thunderbolt Ross Farr joins the MCU in the role of Thaddeus Ross, a position previously held by the
It's
late
my
William
job
Hurt. Shira
to
Haas.
fix it.
Shira Haas plays Sabra, a superhero character who is a part of the Israeli intelligence agency Mossad. Tim Black Nelson, the leader, Tim Black Nelson reprised his role for The Incredible Hulk, where he played Samuel Stearns, who transferred into the
Go to the
leader, a
chopper.
supervillain with
Stand by
a
for
vast
contact.
intellect and telepathic abilities. Carl Lumby as Merlin. Lumby is experienced to reprise his role from The Falcon and the Winter Soldier as Leslia
Somebody has been playing
Bradley, a key
strange
figure in the
on
history of the
every
super
channel.
soldier. Danny Rembrice
Captain
as
America.
Jokon Torres.
You don't
Danny
even
Rembrice
know
returned
what
to
this
Joko
is.
Horrors, who is the comic. Identifying legacy. One of the center theme is likely to be question of identify, especially with Sam Wilson stepping into the role of Captain America in The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. The power of the leadership and heroism. The film will delve into what it truly means to be a leader in the modern world. Sam is not just stepping
To
into the
all of
shoes
y'all
of
viewing
Steve
tonight,
Rogers but
listen.
also facing a world
Everybody.
that is more fractured and politically complex. New villains. Captain America Brave New World could introduce villains tied to the world political and social landscape, with the leader return and the potential rise of supervillains like the Red Hulk of MCU. Action sequence. Captain America Brave New World will likely feature intense action sequence including a large scattered battle, high-speed chases, and no-one combat between Sam and his adversary. Visually presenting of leadership, the movie may empathize the weight of leadership through visual storytelling. For example, scene might feature Sam standing tall in front of a USA capital or facing a tense international negotiation, reinforcing his role as symbol of hope, not as just a fighter. Get your daily dose of entertainment. Subscribe today for new videos every day. Thanks for watching. For more, have a nice time. Goodbye.